So we got a new poured butter formula from the Bearded Mack. Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you all about it. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we talk about all things bearded. And today I got a short video for you here. We're going to talk about the slight alteration in formula for the poured butter from the Bearded Mack. And I did a full company overview, highlighted everything, the scents, the carriers, all of that kind of stuff, the feel-in beard, all amazing. You can check that out in the card. I think it's going to be this way. You can check that out. But he's got a brand new formula for his poured butters. He's been working on it for a while. He realizes poured butters, it doesn't have quite enough body to it. His original formula, it worked great in the beard, felt great, and you can hear me talking about it on my video. To me, it was a little bit maybe oily or not have enough oomph to it where it wouldn't be a long-lasting effect of the butter. So what he's done, he's added a soft and creamy shea to it, and now it's got some body to it. There's still no beeswax in it. It does have, if I can read this, shea, sal butter, kapuasu butter, muru butter, alipe butter, babasu butter, and then it's got his carrier oil blend, which I won't go over all of that stuff. So just a slight variation, but that slight variation has made a world of difference. To me, this butter is now just about perfect. All right, so let me, I'm gonna see if I can do a comparison here. I've got the, one of the original, this is a Revolutionary, great everyday kind of scent, one of the top for the year for sure. I'm going to compare that to the new butter here and give you the breakdown. If I can do a split screen and figure it out, I'll show it to you, but let's take a look. So this is the original butter, and it's just really moisture laden on that, and once you break it down, it becomes very much like just a kind of a thick oil to me. All right, once again, it does a great job, but it's not like your traditional butter. And now let me show you the new one. So this is the new one. We got the label on the side instead of on the top for those people that like to stack them. And it may be hard to get on camera. We're going to try here. So this one is it's got some more density to it. It's still very smooth and creamy, but it's just got a little bit more body to it. All right, so it doesn't melt down instantly. It takes, you have to rub it together, but it does melt down. You feel a little bit of friction. It's not super duper dense and heavy, but it's just about perfect, ready to go in my beard right now. So just putting that little bit of shea in there really did kind of thicken it up a little bit more, and it feels great, long lasting. To me, it's just about as perfect a butter as you can ask for. So just to let you guys know, I do have an affiliate code. It is BANJO15, and where you can save 15%, and I get a small commission if you use that. So I would appreciate your support. But even if you don't use that, what a company, one of the top, definitely the top new company of 2020, and definitely in my top 5 for company of the year. So we'll see if we can do a breakdown of all of that stuff coming up maybe in December. But you can also check out how this butter stacks up to 11 other butters in my Ultimate Beard Butter Showdown I've got going on right now. I've done episode 1. I've got working on my spreadsheet for episode 2 where we talk about the ingredients. So you can see the Bearded Mack as part of that. Another little FYI, if you're a whipped butter person, a lot of companies haven't been doing whipped butters through the summer. I heard Chris say that the whipped butters are coming back soon, so be checking that out if you're interested in those. And then also there's a new scent that I have heard is killer, so I'm interested to see if that one sneaks in there on my top 10 list for scents of the year. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video.